Alright guys, today I'm doing roast breadfruit. I like to do my breadfruit outside, but for now the rain is falling, so I opt to roast my breadfruit inside on the stove. If I was using the oven, I would just roast my breadfruit in the oven, but since I'm not using the oven, and to just go ahead and roast one breadfruit in the oven, which is a waste, so I just put it on the oven top to roast. So here I've just turned the breadfruit, so each time the side of the breadfruit gets brown, I turn it on the other side. And if you notice, I can exit the bottom of my breadfruit, and I also took out the stem of my breadfruit so that it is easily roast. So when I turn it up now, the heat will penetrate through the breadfruit from the bottom and also from the top. Alright? Alright guys, so now I'll be turning my breadfruit again, ensuring that each part of the breadfruit gets brown so that it can soak properly.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so the breadfruit is coming along real nicely. It's not ready as yet, about another 15 minutes or so before it is ready, but it is coming along nicely. It is almost ready. If you can look carefully, you will see the steam coming through the middle of it, so that means the breadfruit is almost ready. So I'm going to turn it over again. So I turn my breadfruit over to get the bottom to roast some more. So if you look carefully, you'll see the steam coming through the open right here. So once the steam is coming through the breadfruit, you know that the breadfruit is ready. You can see the breadfruit is all ready. Look at the steam coming out of the middle. The breadfruit is ready, so I'm gonna let it cool, and I'll run it under some water for it to cool down pretty fast, and then I'll just peel it and you'll see the finished product. Alright guys, so now I'm going to be peeling my breadfruit. Still warm. Guys, I'm taking out the middle of the breadfruit. It's pretty hot. So you can have this however you want. You can have it with some curry chicken. You can have it for breakfast with some salt fish. Whatever way you like it, you can have your breadfruit. Alright, so this is my finished breadfruit. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.